Western Drilling Tools Incorporated serves the mining, construction, water well, gas, and oil field drilling and parts and industrial accessories. The head office and the company's shops are located at 7179 110th Avenue Southeast, Calgary, Alberta. The shops spread over 19,000 square feet, the equivalent of 1,765 square meters. Aside from a large welding section, the shop is equipped with CNC lathes and CNC mills. Since 2004, the year the company was incorporated, and until today, Western Drilling Tools has become a trustworthy supplier of parts and industrial accessories. Western Drilling Tools also offers repairing services, retipping, custom design, drafting, and rebuilds parts and industrial accessories, and gas and oil field drilling equipment. The list of parts and industrial accessories that Western Drilling Tools offers includes roller stabilizers, float subs, drill pipe, deck bushings, steam augers, core pipe, drill stem, reverse circulation pipe, hammers and assemblies, hammer bits, reamers, downhole hammers, tricone bits, shoes, seismic bits and stems, crossovers and subs, drop-off bits, and under reamers. In addition to its existing machines, Western Drilling Tools acquired a new CNC lathes machine, allowing for building of larger parts much faster than ever before. The machine operates at a higher speed and produces parts and accessories of larger dimensions than the other machines do, thus increasing the production and diversity of the products. Western Drilling Tools is without a doubt a growing company in Calgary, Alberta. The success of its leadership has earned the company worldwide recognition, but more specifically in Canada and the US. A strong believer in diversification and hands-on machining business, Constantine Burka is the CEO, president, and founder of Western Drilling Tools and is a very successful entrepreneur. Constantine, what is the story behind your business venture? Where did your idea come from?
Well, my idea came from, I was working very hard and I was a foreman at one company here in Calgary for almost 15 years. And I was designing and making lots of tools, prototypes tools. And I started to understand the drilling business. And I was working first time, this is my third company for me. And the first company when we opened, I had 4 partners and was very successful company. Hunting oil field bought us. And after that I opened another one and National Oil bought us. And all those companies was very successful companies, and 5 years ago we did open Western Drilling.
Where did your company's funding come from, and how did you go about getting it?
Most of my capital investments came from previous companies, and yeah, that's the way I did it.
Are you a one-man show, or do you have business partners?
I am me and my wife. That's my partner right now. I am the boss at work and she is home.
How long was it before you finally earned a profit?
It's very hard to say, because sometimes, you know, you're making profit in the first year, but it's like the economy in the last 2 years. It's kind of up and down. It's like, you know, it's like everywhere else.
Constantine, what stops you from throwing in the towel and just giving up on those really frustrating days when it's so difficult to own your own business?
There are those days. But if you know what you're doing, it's, you know, and if you like what you're doing, it's easier for you to calm you down. And if you work hard and you're going to say to yourself, let's do it farther, let's go farther.
Do you believe in a pattern or a formula to becoming a successful entrepreneur?
If you work hard and you don't cheat your customers, or you have to be very honest to your customer. You keep your promises, and good quality. If you are doing a good quality work, customers are coming to you.
What is your idea of success? And do you believe your company has achieved it?
Definition of success is, to me, is working hard, be focused on your vision, hire good people, and knowing the industry.
To what do you attribute your company's recent achievements?
Have we achieved success? A level of it. What I believe is we can succeed more in the future.
How many employees do you have?
We have 32 employees right now, and I do have 2 shifts. We have a salesman on the field and my wife, and she's in the accounting department.
How do you go about marketing your business? What has been the most successful form of marketing for you today?
To us, the most successful form of marketing is good product. If you're on time with the product, again, you got success.
Describe or outline your typical day.
My day starts 6 o'clock in the morning. We're getting up, drinking coffee, and read the newspaper. It's 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, I leave the house every day to work. I'm getting around 7:30 if the traffic is not too big. And from 7:30 to 6, 7, sometimes even 11 o'clock, I'm at work. But sometimes I know how to take my holidays. I know how to look after my kids, after my family, because my family to me is the most important. It's number one.
How do you achieve balance in your life?
Do you believe we can achieve balance in our life?
Briefly, characterize your life as an entrepreneur. How do you handle the stresses and pressures of everyday entrepreneurship?
How I handle the stress? Sometimes going fishing, take my mind away from work. When I'm going home, I don't take any problems home.
Where do you see yourself and your business in 5 to 10 years?
In 5 years or 10 years from now, I hope the business is going to be very successful, because my son in 2 years is going to take over, and I want to retire. I have 2 sons. Dennis just finished university. He's a mechanical engineer, and I would like him to take over. But if my youngest son wants to get into this business, he's welcome.
And finally, Constantine, what advice do you give to aspiring entrepreneurs?
My advice to people who are starting the new business is them to know how to run the business, and not to rely on different people. It's good to rely on the other people, but if you don't know the job, then it's easy to lose the business.
Thank you.